Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into intriguing mysteries and explore the hidden facets of the world around us. Today, we're delving into a topic that has sparked curiosity and speculation among many. Is Elon Musk working for the Rothschilds and the Illuminati? Buckle up as we examine the claims, evidence, and theories surrounding this intriguing question. Elon Musk's rise to prominence began with his involvement in various innovative ventures. One of his most notable achievements is Tesla, the electric car company that has revolutionized the automotive industry. Musk's vision for a sustainable future has garnered widespread attention and admiration. Additionally, Musk founded SpaceX, a private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company. SpaceX's ambitious goals include reducing space transportation costs and enabling the colonization of Mars. Musk's efforts in space exploration have captivated the world's imagination. Musk was also involved in SolarCity, a solar energy services company aimed at promoting renewable energy solutions. His dedication to sustainability and clean energy has been a driving force behind many of his business ventures. Musk's business relationships involve a diverse range of investors, including venture capital firms, private equity groups, and individual backers. These connections are crucial for securing funding and resources necessary for his ambitious projects. Financial reports and public statements from Musk and his companies also provide insights into the sources of funding for his ventures. These documents reveal a transparent picture of how his projects are financed and developed. Now, let's dive deeper into the allegations surrounding Elon Musk's supposed connections to the Rothschilds and the Illuminati. Conspiracy theories often thrive on ambiguity and speculation, so it's essential to explore these claims with a critical eye. Some conspiracy theorists suggest that Elon Musk's rise to prominence in the tech and space industries is not solely the result of his entrepreneurial brilliance. Instead, they point to what they perceive as subtle signs of collaboration with powerful and secretive groups. One line of thought is that Musk's ventures, such as SpaceX and Tesla, are part of a larger agenda orchestrated by the Rothschilds and the Illuminati. Musk's impressive achievements, such as making electric cars mainstream and revolutionizing space travel, have undoubtedly left an indelible mark on the world. However, some theorists argue that these accomplishments are too significant to be solely the result of individual genius. They speculate that hidden forces may be guiding his endeavors for their own mysterious purposes. Another aspect of these allegations is how Musk is portrayed in the media and his public appearances. Some theorists claim that his confident demeanor and charismatic personality might be carefully crafted to mask his true affiliations and intentions. They suggest that behind the scenes, he could be following a hidden agenda set by those with global influence. Social media posts and cryptic messages from Musk have also fueled speculation. Some conspiracy enthusiasts meticulously analyze his tweets and statements, looking for hidden meanings or symbols that could indicate a connection to secret societies. While these interpretations can be intriguing, they often lack concrete evidence to support the claims. Musk's investments in various industries have also raised eyebrows. Some theorists point to his involvement in artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and space exploration as potential indicators of a larger, orchestrated plan. They question whether these ventures align with a broader agenda set forth by the Rothschilds and the Illuminati. Now, let's delve further into the specific allegations regarding Elon Musk's supposed ties to the Rothschild family. The Rothschild family has long been associated with wealth, power, and influence, and this has led to various conspiracy theories involving their involvement in global affairs. Some conspiracy theorists claim that Elon Musk's financial backing and rapid ascension in the tech and space industries could be attributed to the Rothschild family's support. They point to Musk's ability to secure substantial funding for his ventures as a potential sign of a hidden partnership. The Rothschild connection theory suggests that Musk's innovative projects, such as SpaceX and Tesla, may have received financial backing or guidance from the Rothschilds. Some theorists argue that this collaboration could be part of a grander scheme orchestrated by the family to exert their influence on futuristic industries. Another aspect of this theory is the notion that Musk's ventures align with the Rothschild family's interests and objectives. For example, Musk's emphasis on renewable energy and space exploration could potentially align with a larger global agenda. This alignment, according to conspiracy enthusiasts, could indicate a strategic partnership. Critics of the Rothschild connection theory point out that attributing Musk's success to secret backing overlooks his innovative thinking and entrepreneurial spirit. They argue that his ventures, though ambitious, are a result of his dedication, hard work, and ingenuity. The Illuminati, often associated with secretive and powerful elites, has been the subject of numerous conspiracy theories for centuries. Some theorists claim that the Illuminati has its hands in various sectors, including business, politics, and even the entertainment industry. To address these claims, we've consulted experts who specialize in conspiracy theories and secret societies. While there is no concrete evidence linking Musk to the Illuminati, some theorists point to symbolism and supposed hidden messages as signs of a connection. Critics often analyze Musk's public statements, tweets, and even certain design choices within his companies for hints of Illuminati symbolism. However, it's essential to approach these interpretations with a critical eye and consider alternative explanations. Over the years, Musk has been an active presence on social media, sharing his thoughts on a wide range of topics. Some theorists suggest that certain tweets and statements contain hidden messages or references to Illuminati symbolism. For instance, in one of his tweets, Musk referred to himself as the Emperor of Mars, which some theorists interpret as a nod to Illuminati symbolism related to world domination and control. However, it's essential to remember that Musk is known for his playful and eccentric style, and these statements may be more a reflection of his unique personality than evidence of a secret agenda. One common criticism of the theory is that it relies heavily on speculation and circumstantial evidence. Skeptics argue that connecting dots between Musk's business dealings and the Rothschild family might be a stretch, given the lack of concrete proof or direct connections. Experts in conspiracy theories emphasize the importance of discerning between coincidence and deliberate intent. They suggest that attributing every significant event or decision to a secret agenda can oversimplify the nuanced reality of business, technology, and international relations. Additionally, critics argue that the very nature of conspiracy theories can sometimes lead to selective reasoning and confirmation bias. When examining Musk's statements and actions, it's essential to consider a broad range of factors that contribute to his decisions, rather than solely focusing on a single narrative. Musk's track record of innovation and groundbreaking achievements is also a point of contention. Proponents of the counterargument contend that his success in launching companies like Tesla and SpaceX is more a result of his entrepreneurial vision and determination than any supposed allegiance to secret societies. It's worth noting that conspiracy theories involving powerful families or secret organizations have been prevalent throughout history. While some have proven to be baseless, others have raised valid concerns about unchecked power and control. It's crucial to critically examine each theory within its historical and social context. As we conclude our exploration of the allegations that Elon Musk is working with the Rothschilds and the Illuminati, we're reminded that conspiracy theories can be captivating but should be approached with discernment. While the idea of hidden partnerships and global agendas is intriguing, it's essential to weigh the available evidence and expert perspectives. Thank you for joining us on this journey of investigation and critical thinking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Remember, the quest for truth requires a discerning mind and an open heart. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep seeking the facts.